In a manufacturing plant, a motor trip can stop far more than one piece of equipment. It can interrupt a conveyor sequence, delay production, and affect downstream processes. It also places pressure on maintenance teams to get the line running again. But when the same motor keeps tripping, the most important question is not only, how do we reset it? The better question is, what is the trip telling us? Repeated motor trips often point to a deeper electrical, mechanical, or process-related issue. The motor may be overloaded, the equipment may be jammed, or a phase may be missing. Resetting the motor may solve the immediate stoppage, but it can also hide the real cause. Each restart may add more stress to the motor, contactor, cables, and driven equipment. The NewElec KD Series Relay is a low-voltage electronic motor protection relay designed for critical equipment. It's ideal for conveyors, pumps, fans, compressors, crushers, and material handling systems. Its value is that it does more than respond to a trip. It provides the fault information you need to understand the cause. When a motor keeps tripping, start by asking a few practical diagnostic questions. First, is the motor overloaded? In manufacturing, this can be caused by excessive conveyor loading, mechanical drag, or blocked material flow. The KD Series Relay includes thermal overload protection to protect the motor from sustained or cyclic overloads. Second, is the motor failing to start? A locked rotor can occur when equipment is jammed or starting load is too high. The KD Series Relay uses vectorial stall detection to help identify abnormal startup behavior immediately. Third, is there a running stall or jam? This is common in crushers and mixers where equipment can block during operation. Fourth, is there phase imbalance or single phasing? This can cause overheating and premature motor failure. Fifth, is the motor underloaded? In pumps, this may indicate dry running, cavitation risk, or no media to pump. Finally, is there earth leakage or insulation deterioration? This is critical in wet, dusty, or harsh plant environments. Fault history is one of the most useful tools when diagnosing repeated trips. Without it, you only know the motor stopped. With proper event and fault data, maintenance teams can see exactly what happened before and during the trip. They can ask, was the current high, low, or unbalanced? Was there a voltage issue? Was earth leakage present? This helps move your team away from guesswork and towards evidence-led maintenance decisions. In practical environments, repeated motor trips often appear in familiar ways, like a conveyor tripping during peak production, or a pump tripping due to dry running, loss of prime, or blocked suction, even if the motor seems healthy. A fan may trip after maintenance due to phase rotation errors, voltage imbalance, or incorrect settings. A crusher or mixer may trip under heavy load because of a locked rotor, jammed load, or excessive feed rate. And a motor may trip after washdown due to water ingress, earth leakage, or insulation deterioration. Repeated motor trips are not random events. They are the first sign that something in your system needs attention. With the KD Series Relay, you can protect critical motors, reduce unnecessary resets, and make better maintenance decisions. If your plant is dealing with unexplained stoppages, speak to NewElec about the right motor protection approach for you.